Alright, this is an unboxing of the Adidas Forum low top. I got this in a size 11. And the box is just a basic Adidas box. It tells you that this product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. It's a good thing. So, this is cool. I like the colorway on this. You have this strap. This red is like a red. It's almost like an orange, kind of. Maybe a little pink in there. I don't know. The top of it on one side is blue, the other side is that red color. The stripes on the medial side are blue. The stripes on the lateral side are red. You got the old school logo there. Got a logo here. It's a Velcro strap. And I believe it does come off. Yeah, it comes off like this. So if you don't like the strap, you can take it off. Let's look at the other one. And same thing. I really like the tongue on this. The tongue is, that's cool. And the tongue is like a mesh material. I don't know if you could see that. Like a mesh material there. The sole is all white. Overall, this is a really cool, old school. The colors are almost like a 90s color, but the shoe is an 80s shoe, so it's kind of cool. If you own a pair of top 10s, I would get the same size as those, because I do have a pair of top 10s in a size 11, and I got these in a size 11 as well, and they do fit me pretty much the same. This is the toe on this is a little bit more tapered, I want to say, but it does fit pretty much the same. This shoe feels a little bit longer, maybe an 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch longer than the top 10. But then again, this is brand new, and I've had my top 10s for 10 years. So overall, these are really cool. They look good. Construction is right off the bat. I don't see any flaws. So yeah, so this is the Adidas Forum low top. Thank you for watching.